The deep sea is an extreme environment. It is characterized by complete darkness. The deep sea also features immense pressure. Food resources are very limited in the deep sea. These conditions shape the evolution of deep sea inhabitants. Sunlight penetration in the ocean is limited by depth. Below 1,000 meters, sunlight completely disappears. This creates a perpetually dark environment in the deep ocean. The absence of light impacts marine life and ecosystems. Organisms in these depths have adapted to the darkness. This zone is known as the aphotic zone, where photosynthesis is impossible. Ocean depth exceeding tri-mile meters. Present extreme environmental conditions. One of the most significant challenges at these depths is the intense pressure. This immense pressure poses a substantial threat to the survival of organisms. Specialized adaptations are necessary for life to exist under such conditions. The crushing pressure affects biological processes and structural integrity. Human survivability is limited by extreme environmental conditions. One critical factor is the pressure exerted at great depths. Humans cannot survive below 4,000 meters due to extreme pressure. At this depth, the pressure exceeds 400 atmospheres. This level of pressure is beyond human physiological tolerance. The deep sea exerts immense pressure on organisms. This intense pressure can severely impact the respiratory system. Specifically, the pressure can crush lungs, hindering breathing. The circulatory system is also vulnerable, with blood vessels prone to collapse. Cellular integrity is compromised, leading to potential rupture. Food availability is a limiting factor in the deep sea environment. This scarcity creates intense competition for resources among deep-sea organisms. Energy conservation is therefore essential for survival in this food-limited environment. Organisms have evolved various adaptations to minimize energy expenditure. Evolutionary pressures differ significantly between land and deep-sea environments. Land evolution often favors traits like speed and strength for survival. In contrast, the deep sea selects for efficiency and energy use. Patience becomes a key survival attribute in the resource-scarce deep sea. Adaptability to extreme conditions is crucial for deep-sea organisms. Deep-sea fish exhibit unique characteristics due to evolutionary adaptation. These adaptations are a direct response to the extreme conditions of the deep sea. The deep-sea environment presents challenges such as high pressure and darkness. Over time, deep-sea fish have developed traits that enhance their survival in this environment. The unusual appearance of deep-sea fish is a result of these specialized adaptations. Deep-sea fish have evolved unique adaptations to survive under immense pressure. Their bodies are structurally different from humans. These differences allow them to withstand extreme underwater conditions. This is unlike humans, who cannot survive at such depths without specialized equipment. Pressure resistance is a key evolutionary advantage for deep-sea fish. Deep-sea fish exhibit unique adaptations to survive extreme underwater conditions. One key adaptation is their soft, gelatinous bodies. This body composition helps them withstand immense pressure. The gelatinous nature reduces the density difference with the surrounding water. Deep-sea fish also often have reduced skeletons. A lighter skeleton further aids in coping with the high-pressure environment. Deep-sea fish have adapted to extreme underwater pressures. Some species possess skeletons with bones that are exceptionally flexible. This flexibility allows the bones to bend under pressure rather than fracture. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the high-pressure environments of the deep sea. Deep-sea fish have adapted to extreme pressure environments. The pressure at these depths doesn't crush them. Instead, it provides support. This pressure contributes to their unique structural adaptations. These adaptations are essential for survival in the deep sea. The internal pressure of the fish balances the external pressure. Deep-sea fish are adapted to high-pressure environments. Their bodies are structurally designed to withstand immense pressure. When brought to the surface, the pressure drastically decreases. This sudden change in pressure causes internal and external damage. Consequently, deep-sea fish often appear deformed when brought to the surface. Snailfish are a type of fish found in extremely deep ocean environments. They can survive at depths exceeding 8,000 meters. This demonstrates their unique adaptation to extreme pressure. The snailfish's physiology allows it to function where most other organisms cannot. Deep-sea fish have evolved unique strategies to survive in an environment with limited food resources. One key adaptation is their ability to consume a wide variety of food items. This opportunistic feeding behavior allows them to take advantage of any available meal. This adaptation ensures survival in the food-scarce deep-sea environment. Many deep-sea fish exhibit a unique adaptation: disproportionately large mouths. This means their mouths are significantly larger relative to their overall body size. The oversized mouth is an evolutionary advantage in the resource-scarce deep sea. It allows these fish to capture a wider range of prey, regardless of size. This is crucial for survival, as food is often infrequent and unpredictable in the deep ocean. Therefore, a large mouth increases the chances of a successful feeding opportunity. Certain deep-sea fish have evolved a unique adaptation in their jaw structure. Their jaws are capable of unhinging, significantly increasing their oral cavity. This adaptation allows them to consume prey much larger than themselves. The ability to swallow large prey is advantageous in the resource-scarce deep-sea environment. Some deep-sea fish have evolved inward-curving teeth. These teeth function as traps, enhancing prey capture. The curvature prevents prey from easily escaping the mouth. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the food-scarce deep-sea environment. The gulper eel is characterized by its exceptionally large mouth. The gulper eel's mouth can open wider than the eel's body. This adaptation allows the gulper eel to consume prey larger than itself. The gulper eel's stomach can stretch to accommodate large meals. Certain deep-sea fish employ a unique feeding strategy to optimize energy usage. These fish often swallow their prey whole, rather than consuming it in smaller pieces. The swallowed prey is then stored within the fish's digestive system. The digestion process is deferred, allowing the fish to conserve energy during the initial capture. This delayed digestion strategy is particularly advantageous in the energy-scarce deep-sea environment. In environments of total darkness, vision becomes less critical for survival. This reduced reliance on sight leads to a variety of evolutionary eye adaptations. These adaptations can range from eye reduction to complete eye loss. The specific adaptation depends on the organism and its ecological niche. Deep-sea fish have developed unique adaptations to survive in their dark environment. One such adaptation is the presence of enormous, highly sensitive eyes. These large eyes are specifically designed to capture even the faintest traces of light. This adaptation allows them to detect bioluminescent organisms or minimal light filtering from above. The ultra-sensitive eyes enhance their ability to hunt and navigate in the deep sea. Some deep-sea fish adapt to their environment by losing their eyes entirely. This adaptation is due to the lack of light in the deep sea. Vision becomes less useful in the absence of sunlight. These fish rely on other senses for navigation and survival. Alternative senses include enhanced touch, smell, and lateral line systems. Blind cavefish and abyssal species inhabit environments devoid of light. These species have adapted to navigate and survive without vision. They rely on alternative sensory mechanisms for spatial awareness. Vibration signals are a key component of their sensory toolkit. These vibrations allow them to detect obstacles and prey in their surroundings. Chemical signals also play a crucial role in their navigation and communication. Maintaining eyes requires a significant energy expenditure. In environments lacking light, this energy investment becomes wasteful. Evolutionary optimization favors the reduction of unnecessary energy consumption. Consequently, eye loss can occur as a result of energy conservation in dark environments. Deep-sea fish rely on the lateral line system for sensory perception. The lateral line system enables the detection of subtle pressure changes in the surrounding water. It also allows fish to sense movement in their environment, even in complete darkness. This is crucial for navigation and predator avoidance in the deep sea. The system enhances spatial awareness in the absence of light. Therefore, the lateral line system is essential for survival in deep-sea environments. The lateral line system is crucial for aquatic animals to perceive their surroundings. It enables the detection of movement and vibrations in the water. This sensory capability is vital for identifying approaching prey. The lateral line also alerts the animal to the presence of nearby predators. Therefore, it serves as a key mechanism for both hunting and avoiding danger. Deep-sea fish live in environments of total darkness. They have adapted unique sensory mechanisms to navigate and hunt. One such mechanism is the lateral line system. The lateral line enables fish to detect objects in their surroundings. This is crucial for survival in the absence of light. Certain species possess the ability to detect extremely subtle movements. This sensitivity allows them to perceive minute vibrations in their environment. The level of detection can be as refined as sensing a heartbeat through water. This capability provides a significant advantage in predator avoidance or prey detection. Some organisms rely on chemoreception for tracking. Chemoreception involves detecting and interpreting chemical traces in the environment. This allows them to locate food sources over vast distances. By tasting chemical traces, they can follow the path leading to their target. Bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by a living organism. Some fish species have the ability to generate their own light through bioluminescence. Bioluminescence serves purposes beyond mere decoration for these fish. The primary function of bioluminescence in fish is often deception. The barrel-eye fish is characterized by its unique transparent head. This transparency allows for direct observation of internal structures. The fish possesses rotating, barrel-shaped eyes within its head. These fish don't fight the ocean. They surrender to it and thrive. Thanks for watching.